Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix data warning and manage storage on your Android phone. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. And now tap on the device care and again scroll down. Tap on storage and tap on show more and see system 15.63 GB. Okay, scroll down, tap on task option and tap on my file. Scroll down, again scroll down and tap on select option and tap on select items. Okay, and tap on delete all. Again tap on delete and now complete. No file or folder. Okay, back. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.